Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the hardware. Make sure your iPad is on iOS 13 or later, and Bluetooth is turned on in settings. Put your Xbox controller into pairing mode by holding the Xbox button then the small sync button until it flashes. This is how the device becomes discoverable. Once done, watch the iPad's Bluetooth list for Xbox wireless controller and tap it to connect. You do this now to avoid delays and to ensure Pubg recognizes a controller input immediately. After pairing, open Pubg Mobile and go to controller settings to confirm the game detects your Xbox controller. You should see button prompts replace touch icons. You need to map or adjust sensitivity. Lower aim sensitivity slightly to reduce overshoot and set thumbstick dead zones if small drift appears. Also make sure gyro is configured how you like. If you experience lag, try a wired adapter or repair. Wired reduces latency, but Bluetooth is usually fine for casual play. You should test controls in Pubg training range and pay attention to aiming, sprinting, and vehicle handling. Make incremental sensitivity changes until movement feels natural. Once happy, save the layout and play a couple of matches to lock in muscle memory. If things go wrong, controller disconnects, input lags, or buttons don't register, first repair the controller, restart the game, or fully power cycle the controller. If problems persist, update firmware or switch to a wired adapter to eliminate Bluetooth issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.